In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Snapchat chat wallpaper. All you have to need, launch the Snapchat app on your phone and go to the message panel. Now go to the chat or conversation where you want to add or change wallpaper. From the chat, tap the chat name at the top. In here, you will find this wallpaper. Tap on that. And now, from here, you can easily select any chat wallpaper. Also, you can select a wallpaper from your camera roll as well. So I'm selecting a random photo from my gallery. And as you can see, to add a custom wallpaper or a wallpaper from camera roll, you must need Snapchat Plus. So let's select here for us and selecting a free wallpaper from here. And we can see the wallpaper preview, tapping on confirm. And we can see the wallpaper successfully updated. I'm going back to my chat and we can see the wallpaper successfully changed. Thanks for watching.